Hey, it's Anaya from Glam Graphics, and today I'm going to show you how I made this nail flyer for Valentine's Day. I'll be using Canva Pro. If you don't already have a Canva account, check the description below. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 sales on my Etsy shop and use the code up on the screen. This video was requested by Life is Ebony. If you have any video requests, make sure you comment below and subscribe for a chance to be featured. I'm starting off on Canva with a canvas size of 1080 by 1080px. I'm gonna add a page and then get started on adding the background. I went to Elements and typed in Valentine's Day background, and then I just selected the one that I wanted and resized it. Now I'm gonna go to Elements and I'm gonna add a square. I'm gonna change the color to black and then resize it to go across the top. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna copy and paste that part and then take it down near the bottom. Now I'm gonna add one more square and I'm gonna add that over the entire thing except that top line. And then I'm gonna change the color to black and then change the transparency down to 36. After that, I'm just gonna position it behind so it's back there with the rest of the background. Now it's time to start adding the text. I'm gonna go add a heading. And once I do that, I'm gonna change the font to Open Sans Extra and then the font size to 35 and uppercase it. This is where I'm gonna put the URL. I'm gonna center that at the top, and then once I do that, I'm gonna copy and paste. I'm changing the text to say Valentine's Day nails, and I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna center that, and then I'm gonna copy and paste again. This is where I'm gonna put the book your appointment, so I'm gonna type that in. I'm gonna take the uppercase off, change the font to Moon Time, and then resize it. Once I do that, I'm gonna add the neon effect to make it stand out. And now that I have that little top section done, I'm gonna go down to frames under elements and then add a circle frame. Then I'm gonna copy and paste 2 more times. Now I have my 3 circles. I'm gonna line them up and center them. Before I show you how to do the diamond part around the circles, I'm gonna finish up all the text. I'm gonna copy and paste the Valentine's Day part, and then I'm gonna size it down. This is going to be the headings for each of my circles. Okay, so for the diamond part, I actually had a picture saved that I had got from Google. It's just a top view of a diamond. All I'm gonna do is just add it, size it down, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste and place it around the circle so it looks like a border. I'm not gonna show the whole thing because it would take too much time. Now I have my diamond border. All I did was place the single diamonds, and I selected all of them, grouped them all together, and now I can copy and paste it. I have to add the social media at the bottom and then the rows. So I'm going back to Elements, and I'll be typing in Instagram and Twitter and adding both of their logos. Now I have the social media part done. I'm gonna go back to elements and look up rose. I added the one that I wanted, and then I'm just gonna position it in the front and tilt it so it looks like it's laying down on the black part at the bottom. I forgot to add the prices underneath, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm just gonna copy and paste the headings for the circles. To finish the flyer, all we need is the rose petals. These are the same ones I used in my last video. If you haven't already seen that, go check it out. I'll put it up on the screen. But I got my rose petals added. I'm doing the 2 different kinds so it looks more natural and it doesn't look like the same thing over and over again. And I'm gonna place them kind of spread out so they're not all together on the flyer. Now that I have everything added, I can show you how easy it is to add your photos. All you need to do is just put the diamond border behind the circle, drag and drop your photo, and then move the diamond border back in front of the picture. Now we're all done. Here's your Valentine's Day flyer. If you would still like to buy this flyer from me, it's available on my Etsy shop. Use code GOLD to 1K to get 30% off when you buy 2 or more items. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.